Hi everybody, Kevin here with Affiniti Homes. Just finished another beautiful remodel. This time, this remodel wasn't actually one of our investment properties. This remodel is done for my client Christine here. And a lot of people ask me when they walk my homes when we're doing the open houses selling these investment properties, hey, can you come do that for me? And Christine asked me that question too. What did I tell you?
Well, you said, let me see if it fits into my schedule, and I have some rules that I have you abide by. But actually, I wrote you on your email, on your info ad, I think.
Yeah.
Although we had taken your card from the open house, and you responded promptly. And then we met, and the contingencies were one, that the house was vacant,
Right.
which was the case here, and the second thing that he would have creative control, so to speak, of at least 90%, and I gave him 95 because of the person I am. And that I really enjoyed the house that I saw that you were selling. So I really loved everything. I mean, everything about it. If it wasn't that I'm buying the house next door to another one I had, I probably would have purchased the other home.
Well, the other contingency was you weren't allowed to come in here and see this property after a certain threshold point of when I had started the remodel, which I had shared with Christine. Once I hit the drywall stage, right, and then because after that point, all the pretty stuff starts going in the cabinetry and the flooring and all that stuff. So you weren't, and actually it was a little before that was the last time you saw the place was when the big slider windows went in.
Yes.
And you saw kind of the bones of I was building the office and stuff. And that
I saw a couple of pieces of the bathrooms.
Yeah, the tiles that I had.
More samples. One of the walls was done, but yes, that was the other contingent. Because I'm from out of the area, it wasn't hard, except that I was here 10 days, the last 10 days, and I didn't come in, which was really quite disappointing.
I wanted you to have this big HATV unveiling, which we just, the revealing that we just did a little while ago, because the look on you and the ladies' faces was just, it's timeless, and you can't capture that unless it's real. You know what I mean? And I saw we walked the house and you enjoy the property. So I want to thank you for that. So guys, so at Affiniti Home, we always try to make win-win situations of all kinds. And if you're out there, whether you're selling a property or you want to buy a property, come out and find us. We'll help you. When I buy my investment properties, I'll buy them as is. No questions asked. Take your clothing or whatever, leave whatever. We'll handle it from there. And if you fit the model like Christine did, and you allow me to have my creativity, have a nice budget, because it was a large budget here in the home, to create this amazing property, which you'll see on the channel here. It'll have a full, nice production of the video of the property. You'll get to see that. But other than that, your experience was good?
It was terrific. If I can make a comment about the budget.
Yes.
The budget was high. Not high, but there was a budget. And Kevin's stewardship with every dollar that I budgeted was incredible. Because he knows where to get the certain materials and things that really maximizes every dollar. And so it's incredible what he's done here for that budget. Really amazing.
It was great, but like every project, there are always unforeseen costs. And we had a few nice, high ticket item unforeseen costs here. We had to change the air ducting here, which we didn't know until we dug in, right? And we just had some other additions, but all in all, for the total price of this remodel, I think you're in pretty solid.
We did beautiful stone on the front, which wasn't initially budgeted, as well as a wonderful barbecue in the backyard.
Right. So
those things, I mean, some of the landscape was in it, but the barbecue. So the ads, but again, the stewardship or the maximizing those additional dollars.
That, and I knew Christine, this is not her full-time home. I helped her furnish this thing through my stager that I normally use, because they're like, you're gonna have this big, beautiful home. Where are you gonna sit down? Where are you going to sleep? So this place got fully furnished.
And again, another modest budget, really, for all the pieces that
I think so.
Unbelievable.
Yeah,
I could have never done that on my own, besides the time investment, which it's a high value to me to have my reveal that's fully furnished. So,
Yeah.
So, but again, she did a wonderful job on getting the flavor of this put together, and just the pieces that she brought for the budget, for sure.
Okay. Well, I want to thank you again for the opportunity.
No, thank you.
And for you out there, just go ahead and reach out to Affiniti Homes, and we'll see what we can do for you.
Yes, thank you.
All right, guys. Take care.
Thanks so much, Kevin.
All right, take care. Now.